Hi, my name is Charlie. I'm the founder of MyTextMate. I wanted to make this video to show you how easy and simple it is to enable MyTextMate's developer key within the Canvas platform. So here we are. You can see MyTextMate's key on the screen, and I'll show you how I got to this page within Canvas. First thing you want to do is click Admin. Then select your account. After that, on the navigation panel here, select Developer Keys. Then you're going to go to the Inherited tab. Go to the search box here and type MyTextMate. I'm also going to select Show All Keys. Once I do that, I'll see MyTextMate. All you're going to do is toggle the state onto on. Final step I forgot to mention, after you turn on the key, please make sure you send me an email to charlie@mytextmate.com. That way I can add your school to our app and your students can use MyTextMate by selecting their school. So, and of course, if you have any questions about the product, security, pricing, definitely send me an email for that as well. Again, it's charlie@mytextmate.com. All right, thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you.